Hello, medical assisting students. Hopefully everybody is having a great week, shoveled out of all the snow, and more to come. Let's just do a quick little review on what you have due for Monday. So we have Chapter 3 workbook. A lot of this is fraud and abuse. So make sure that you do workbook, which is Chapter 3, of course, 3-1. Part 2 and 3, which this is number 11 through 40. And then in the workbook also I have assignment 3-2. This is with fraud and abuse. Okay, so make sure you really go through your textbook, review the PowerPoints. This is really important because you'll have quite a bit of fraud and abuse on the exam. And don't forget, the exam is on Tuesday. It starts. It is only 25 points, but still, when you're doing total points for the semester, that makes a difference. So keep in mind the exam, and if anybody has any questions before the exam, feel free to contact me. Okay, so Chapter 2 message board. This here also due Monday, and hopefully I do see quite a people that have posted, which is great. Just remember, you need to also post to another student in at least 2 complete sentences to get your other 5 points. So far everyone's doing fantastic, on board with everything. So normally, like I said, assignments, discussion boards are due on Monday. Your exam for Chapter 2 and 3 starts on Tuesday. And just an FYI, I made up pretty much this whole exam. I redid it from, I'm thinking 2 or 3 years ago, students were getting this exam from Quizlet, so I pretty much scratched the whole thing. So all these questions are what I came up with from just because I do have a fraud and abuse background from HIT. So good luck and stay safe this weekend. Make sure you send me an email if anybody has questions. I would be happy to let you know what I think and get you in the right direction. Good luck.